Good morning, everybody. As always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. Normally, I don't do this, but this morning I wanted to post a notice to everyone to let you know some things about the DJI Care plan that I just learned yesterday. So a couple of weeks ago, I got notification in my email that it was time to renew for my DJI Care plan for the Mavic 3 Enterprise. So, it's coming up on having the Mavic 3 Enterprise for a couple of years, and I put the email on my to-do list because it was still 90 days out. So I said, okay, 90 days out, I got a little time, and I'll discuss it with my partner to make sure that we do want to get it. So yesterday we made the decision, okay, take it off the to-do pile, and let's go ahead and get the 1-year care plan for the Mavic 3 Enterprise that I could get. And so I went to the email, I clicked the links and followed the email, and let's go ahead and minimize this and take a quick look. So I'm gonna pull this up. So I followed the email to the website, went to the website to do a purchase. As you can see, I've blocked out my serial numbers. Hey, we've all got our own serial numbers. But so I was having problems, plain and simple. I couldn't get things to do what I wanted. I just wanted to make the purchase. Okay. So I decided let's use the good old chat windows and see what's going on. So let me just open this up a little bit more for you. So once again, on the left-hand side, the DJI shop, DJI Care here, and I'm blacking these out as well. And so right now it's telling me that I can't make the purchase again. So I went over to the chat bot on the right hand side here. And on this chat bot, let's bring this up larger for, oh no, that's the right one. My apologies. So here we go. I was going to get the basic care. And after asking my question to DJI, I received this, and probably you won't be able to read this very well on the small screen. But what I got back here, upon checking, the drone binds care basic service affected the U.S. tariff adjustment. The online store will remove U.S. regional enterprise products and their accessories and only retain the renewal products of the DJI Care Enterprise Plus plan. So it's a different plan. So what they're telling me is the tariffs are doing this to me. So DJI is just putting it out there and saying, hey, because the tariffs, you can't get that other plan. The DJI Care Enterprise Basic Edition will be completely removed from the online store and cannot be purchased through Enterprise Dealer too. So I think they're just telling me, Rich, you're screwed on the Care Enterprise Basic Edition. You have to get the Plus Edition, is what they're telling me. Now, only the DJI Care Enterprise Plus plan can be purchased. Therefore, you cannot purchase a renewal code for the Care Enterprise Plus version on the official website if your device care plan is previously a basic version. Sorry, stumbling through. It's bright and early this morning. I wanted to get this one out there to you guys because bottom line, if you've got one of the simpler plans, like I do on the Mavic 3 Enterprise, I had 2 years on it, you're out of luck and you're going to have to get the higher end Plus. So if you agree to change your device care plan version to the Plus version, you need to contact a nearby dealer, which we don't have here in Prescott, to purchase a DJI Care Enterprise Plus renewal code first. Currently, only dealers can purchase it. So this is really new, guys. Maybe if I had purchased this on the day I got the email instead of waiting into the 90 days, I don't know. You can check dealer contact information here. We're not going to do that. Then you provide us with the following information in a verification video, and we will change your device from basic plan to plus plan for you. And then I'm going to need to give them my serial number, blah, blah, blah here. So there you have it. So if you're like me, I got my Mavic 3 Enterprise a couple of years ago, and I was still within the period that I could purchase the new one, but due to what's going on with the tariffs, according to this, I just can't get my hands on that basic edition. So if you're someone who's, I purchased mine in June 29th of 2023. So here we are in 2025. So a little less than 90 days out now, but this is a real bummer, and I'm not going to be doing this. So I'm going to go without that plan because let's see here. The new version, let's just pull this out here for you. So the new version, renewed DJI Care Enterprise Plus, is now $659. That wasn't the price for a single year on the old plan, but there you have it. So the price is bumped up measurably. If you need to, go back and check your stuff for your drone as well. And let's make sure one more thing here. So just so that you can see this once again, no serial numbers here, but let's just pull this right up. So if I want to do the renewed Care Enterprise, it's going to be $659. But remember, I also have to go through that weird process apparently. So it looks like we will not be getting the renewal on our care program. And we do take very good care of our drones. We also insure them under other carriers as well. But I decided, hey, yeah, I want that care plan. And that care plan's not available now. I'd love to know what you think about this. I'd love to read your comments down below and see if you're as surprised as I am, or if it's already been up on YouTube and I totally missed it and you're laughing at me saying, yeah, Rich, we already knew about that. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great start to the day. Hope I didn't bring you down with this news on this, but just wanted to share it with you. And yeah, I'm a little chilly this morning, so I'm gonna go grab my fleece jacket since we're having a cool Arizona morning. See y'all again in the near future. Have a good one.